This is called Knotless Braids. It's very easy and I'll take you through the process. This is my first time ever having hair extensions. She started by braiding my own hair, then she added a hair extension. She started to braid and then she put another hair extension. She braided further and further till she needed another hair extension. The knotless braid is basically a braid or braids without the knot. Basically the same steps is being repeated here. My natural hair is being braided. She braided it further before adding a hair extension. She's adding another extension here. This time it's blue because I really wanted to have a blue highlight in my hair. Look at how she's braiding it through. She added another extension. You just have to feed the hair in and braid it as you go along. The knotless hair braid feels very natural. It does not hurt and it's easy to make. This is another way of doing knotless braids. As the other way, you start from the natural hair. Unlike the previous one, she took a hair extension and rested it over my head. She braided one part in and took the one on my head and braided it further. Watch as she puts the hair extension over my head. She braided one side in. took the one on my head and braided it further down. It's the same process here. She put an extension on my hair, braided it in, and took the extension on my head and braided with it further. The idea of the knotless braids is for it to look natural when you look from the roots and down. She's trimming it by cutting off the excess hair. Guys, this is the scary part. Mommy dipped my hair in hot water. I was so scared. I thought it was gonna burn, especially when the bowl touched my ear. But Mommy made sure that the water does not touch my face or my ear. Look how natural this looks. When you go from the roots, it looks so natural all the way down. It looks so pretty, and I love the blue. Especially, I love how long it is. I just love this hair. It's me, Tata, and this is the first time ever that I've had hair extensions. I have some blue in here because I chose the color and it's my favorite color. And look how long it is. It's actually longer than my real hair. We're having an upcoming trip, and that's why Mommy did this hair. It's very long and wet. So you can try this hair on your daughter, and she will really thank you. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and follow us on Instagram, Tata and Susa. Bye. See you later.